That thing is way too freaking hot.
Come on, Anton.
Be careful.
Nice.
Watch it, watch it. Hot, 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 hot. Guys, put salt on it. Salt. Put salt on it. Right now.
I got it.
Out the way, out the way, out the way.
Welcome to our channel where we are committed to providing you with the latest and most important information on how to keep yourself and everyone safe in the kitchen. Today, we are here to talk about the prevention of burns and fires in the kitchen. Cooking is an enjoyable activity, but it can also be dangerous if not done with caution. According to the National Fire Protection Association, cooking is the leading cause of fires in the United States. That's why it's important to take the necessary steps to prevent any accidents in the kitchen. Prevention is key, and that's exactly what we will be discussing in this video. We will be providing you with a comprehensive guide on how to avoid burns and fires in the kitchen, including tips on how to safely operate your kitchen appliances and what to do in case of an emergency. So, let's get started and make sure that you have all the information you need to keep yourself and everyone safe while cooking. Department: Food and Beverage. Section: All Kitchen. Subject: Prevention of Burns and Fire. Standard Code: Comp 07. Standard: It is a standard of the hotel to train staff on preventive fire safety. Procedures: 1. Know the emergency procedures for reporting fires. 2. Know the location of fire extinguishers and fire exits and know how to use them. 3. Keep the hood over ranges and cooking equipment clean and free of accumulated grease. 4. Keep oven doors closed except when loading and unloading the oven. 5. Open and ventilate gas ovens a few minutes before lighting. 6. Keep ranges, fryers, griddles, and broilers clean and free from accumulated grease. 7. Use only dry pads to move hot pans or cooking utensils. 8. Use long handles hooks to open cover of steam kettles, stir contents with long-handled paddles. 9. Stand back from equipment when opening doors of pressure steamers and lids of steam. 10. Lift lids from the side of the pan opposite you allow the steam to escape. (11) Keep handles of pans over the range and away from the direct source of heat. 12. Open valves of steam-jacketed kettles and urns slowly to avoid splashing hot water and steam. 13. Close all valves and spigots before filling urns or kettles. 14. Get assistance when moving heavy containers and hot food. We hope that you found this video on the prevention of burns and fires in the kitchen informative and useful. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to avoiding accidents in the kitchen. By taking the necessary steps to ensure safety, you can enjoy cooking with peace of mind. Always keep a fire extinguisher nearby, use caution when handling hot surfaces, and avoid leaving food unattended on the stove or in the oven. If you do experience a fire, remember to stay calm and immediately call 911. We want to thank you for watching and remind you to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on safety and prevention. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one. Greetings from the hospitality world.